Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. So today I will show you a nice app to do all calculations very easily using photomath application. So go to Play Store and search photomath. Now I have already installed. You all have to install this app. So after installing, open this app. Now just wherever you have written the mathematical expression, go to there and capture the expression just like this inside the square box. Turn on the flashlight, then capture. See, within 2 to 3 seconds we are getting the answers, which would take typically more than 10 or 20 seconds in using a calculator. So isn't it nice? Let's try for some other expressions. Let's solve an equation. See, we are getting the answer in a second. The value of the voltage V we are getting here. Now two variable equation. It can also be solved within a minute. You can also see the steps how it is solved, like solve using substitution or elimination or Cramer's rule. Let's see for Cramer's rule and click on show solving steps. So you can see the determinants. Now all the steps here you can see. We can calculate the value of determinant very fast here. See, just in 2 seconds you can calculate it. It's very helpful for online exam where you are allowed to use any mobile, so you don't need to type in calculator and all those lengthy processes. Now solve a quadratic equation which looks complex, and using a calculator and Sridharacharya method it would take a lot more time than using this method, which can give you the result in 2-3 seconds. You are getting the roots. You can solve the integration also very easily. You can see the value pi square minus 4 or 5.8696, which is approximation after 4 decimal places. You can see the steps also, how it is solved. You can factorize any expression easily if you need it. This is a cubic expression I have factorized, and you can see the graph also here. If you scroll down, many functions are actually available here in this nice app. You can calculate differentiation also. See how large the expression is, and if we want to do the second order differential it would take a lot of time, but here you can get it very easily. And if you want to see the history, click here, history button. You will see all the history you have done, whatever you have done. See, whatever I have done, all are coming here. Now click on edit. You can click on clear all if you want to delete all the options. So I don't want to delete, so I am going back. And from here you can see a calculator option here. You can click on that to get a scientific calculator. There is a fraction option. This is a square root option. This is a function option. Let's click on this. See, there are many functions available here. This function of x, summation, determinant, derivative, integration, limit, many functions are available here, and trigonometric functions are available here, and long press and hold if you want to get hyperbolic or inverse sine function or inverse cos function also you can get it. But you don't need to do that. Actually you can scan, you can type in paper and scan and calculate it faster than typing. Okay, hope you enjoyed video. Thanks for watching, and like, subscribe and share.